iBlue is a suite of Bluetooth products that are controlled by your smartphone. The iBlue Immobilizer combines security and convenience in one powerful solution. Even after the key has been entered into the ignition, the vehicle remains immobilized. Fitted in the cabin of the vehicle and integrated into its control circuit, the iBlue device cannot be seen from the outside. A quick input of your passcode or a single tap on your phone's biometric reader and the iBlue Immobilizer app immediately signals the device to enable starting the engine. It's that simple. iBlue. Control your security with a single tap.